I hope everybody's still following along. We've made our list. We've added a store special to the list, Cheerios cereal. And we've now got 6 items on our list, and we're ready to run the SaveOn algorithm. So this button here is the trigger for our SaveOn algorithm. And let me explain what you're going to see. When I press that button, our database is going to be searched on your behalf. And we've got a database of store prices. We've got a database of store specials. We've got a database of coupons. And we are going to go across that database, and we're going to find the best deals for these items in your basket. And so let's do it. Let's hit that SaveOn button together. You hit it yourselves. I'm going to hit it. And I see the results. Now, for those of you doing this for the first time, you've landed on some what we call veil screens, which are going to explain what you see next. If you want to pass through those veil screens, simply tap twice, and the veil screens will go away. There's only 3 screens to see, one to the next to the next. Just swipe them across. Take a look, and I'll give everyone a second to take a look at those. But now double tap, because we'll explain this together. So for that list of items in my basket, the best deal was at Wegmans. And so at Wegmans, for those 6 items, it's going to cost me $18.70. And this is a 28% savings over the store with the highest priced items. Now this little caret here means that you can tap or swipe across. So if I tap, it's going to show me how the price is compared across the stores that I'm going to shop in. So you can see this basket of items cost $18.70 at Wegmans. It cost $19.30 at ShopRite, and it cost $25.80 at Acme. So buying at Wegmans saved me 28% if I decide to shop at Wegmans. I do need to point out that the numbers that you see in these bars are going to be based, as this little note says, is going to be based on comparable items that are available in every store. So in this case, all the items are indeed in every store, and you'll see $18.70 is the price at Wegmans, and that is also the price you get when you come to this main screen, which gives you the complete and accurate total. If Acme did not carry some of the items that Wegmans does carry, we would be comparing prices across the items that did exist at Wegmans, at ShopRite, and at Acme, so we have a fair comparison. I ask everyone to be patient. As part of being the early testing program, we have lots and lots of data input in our system now from Wegmans. We've got a good amount of data from ShopRite, and we've got really the least amount of data from Acme. And that's going to be changing day by day by day. So just please be patient as you're experimenting and playing with the app. But now let's take a look. So Wegmans is our best deal, and if we scroll down here, we can see the products that SaveOn recommended for us. And let's recall what we had on our list. So we had said Cheerios, Honey Nut Cheerios, and there was a special. Great, there's that special price, $3.29 for that box of Honey Nut Cheerios. We also wanted Prego. We didn't care of the size, and what came back the best deal this week is on 24-ounce Prego, which is $1.99. Axe body spray also happens to be on sale, and Axe body spray, so we get a savings on the Axe body spray. Campbell's chicken noodle soup. We got 5 chicken noodle soups, and these are 89 cents a can. Coffee, I didn't care which brand of coffee I had, so the best deal this week is on Folgers coffee, and that's what it brought back. And wheat bread, same way. I wasn't really brand specific, and the best deal on wheat bread at Wegmans this week is Stroman's at $2.99 a loaf. This extra savings offer, we're going to come back to this in just a second. I'll show you what that is, but let's just take a look at the items in the basket at these other stores. So let's tap on ShopRite. Just come over here, tap ShopRite, and now you'll see all the items that are recommended in ShopRite and the best deal. So of course for Honey Nut Cheerios, it's $3.59, a bit more than it was at Wegmans. For Prego pasta sauce, it was $1.99 at Wegmans, $2.29 at ShopRite. Axe body spray, the $2.99 is actually the same price as Wegmans. Campbell's soup is at 79 cents this week at ShopRite. That's a better price than at Wegmans. Chock full of nuts is the coffee that was returned as the best deal on coffee at ShopRite. And for whole wheat bread, it was Martin's whole wheat bread is the best deal. And so while the price of this basket was close to Wegmans, it was just a bit more, $19.30. And let's take a look at Acme. What did Acme find? Okay, so you just simply click. You can see we're now looking at the results for Acme. And at Acme, it's going to be $25.80 for the same basket of goods, which was $18 at Wegmans, $19 at ShopRite, $25 at Acme. And you can see it's $4.29 for the Cheerios, it's $2.89 for the Prego pasta sauce, $5.29 for the Axe body spray. Woo, that's $2 to $3 more. Campbell's soup, 99 cents. We've got for our coffee, Essential Everyday Roast Coffee, which is is the best deal at Acme, and Stroman's is the other bread that came back. So Stroman's was the best deal on bread at Acme, also the best deal on bread at Wegmans. So since Acme was so much more expensive, we're going to go back to Wegmans as the store that we look at. And okay, now I do want to show you this extra savings. Let's take a look. Extra savings are offers that we're getting from manufacturers, only exclusive to SaveOn. And these extra savings offers, if I select it, it'll be a special deal just for you, tied to something on your shopping list. So in this case, there's a deal on Starbucks, $2 off 2 12-ounce bags. Well, I happen to really like Starbucks coffee, so I'm going to accept this offer, and I just simply tap accept, and my list is going to be updated. So instead of Folgers, I now have Starbucks coffee on my list. And one other thing to demonstrate, if you don't like something that the app brought back, if a product was recommended that you didn't think was a good product for you, let's take bread, for example, and you say, boy, I didn't like that, I don't like Stroman's bread. I want to try a different brand. Okay, so now you can go here, tap that triangle. Let me show you that again. Tap this triangle right here next to the item. By tapping it, it opens up a dialog box that allows you to change the brand, change the flavor, or change the size. So you could simply tap brand, and you can select any other brand. If you'd like to change the flavor, you can tap flavor. Now in this particular case, I already selected whole wheat as my only choice. So the only flavors are going to be whole wheats, given the way I set my shopping list. And I can also change the size. And in this case, given the type of bread I chose, there really only is one size. So the thing I can change at this point is the brand of bread. If I made a total mistake and I realize I want to add something else to my list, I can just click on Add Items here and add a new item to my list. If I want to delete an item from my list because I don't want this item anymore, I realize I made a mistake and this item should not be on my list, you simply need to go back to your list, swipe, and it will be removed from your list. It's that simple. If you want to change the quantity of items that you've got on your list, just like on the list making, you simply tap on the number and you're able to change the quantity. Increase it, decrease it, and when you've got the numbers that you want, you click Done. And that's how the SaveOn algorithm works. And this is really the magic of our system. The algorithm and the databases that we've got and that we've built allows us to make these decisions for you, help you find the best deals at the stores that you like to shop at. So we're going to stop here, and we'll come back in a minute and go shopping.